What's up everyone, and welcome to yet another video. Today we'll be looking at all the Excel functions which deals with week, namely weekday, weeknum and ISOWeekNum. So let's get started. ISOWeekNum is a function which returns the ISO week number of a year for a selected date value. We have a table with the list of dates in column A. The dates are sequential, and I also have an image of the weeks in a calendar format that I got from my Outlook calendar. The formula is pretty simple with only one argument, which is date. Now, the date can be typed in or can be selected from any cell. Let's drag down the formula to populate every row of the table. You may have noticed that the week number resets after 30th of December 2019. That is because ISO weeks start on Mondays. That's how the weeks are calculated as part of a particular year. I have provided link to the Wikipedia article on ISO week numbering system, so check that out if you are interested. Now, let's look at the WeekNum function and see how it differs with the ISOWeekNum function. WeekNum also returns the week number of a date but can follow one of the two systems. In system 1, 1st of January is considered as first week of the year. In system 2, aka European week numbering system, treats first Thursday of the year as week 1. The formula has an added argument where we are required to enter a return type. A return type determines the system to be followed and the day from which the week is considered to begin. But that argument can be skipped, in which case Excel will consider the week to begin on a Sunday in system 1. As you can see, 30th and 31st of December is considered under week 53 because the week resets on 1st January by default. Now, I have two more columns to observe the difference between the two values. In this one, let's try return type as 13 so that the week starts on a Wednesday. In this type, everything till 1st of January remains the same, while starting with 2nd Jan, the week changes to 2 because it is a Wednesday. In this example, let's try return type as 21, which is under system 2 and the week begins on a Monday. The week of 31st December is treated as week 1, not because 1st of January falls in that week, but because that week has the first Thursday of the year. Moving on to the WeekDay function, it returns the day of the week, but in an integer format. That means it will return a number instead of a text which tells us which day of the week it is. The function is similar to the WeekNum function. We have to select the date and then select the return type, which is optional. If we skip the return type, it allots number 1 to Sunday, 2 to Monday, through 7 to Saturday. Let's see how it does comparing with other return types. Let's select option 14 for this column, which means our Thursdays will now be one of every week. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.